Hi guys, welcome back. Thanks for joining me today. In this video, I really wanted to address why our family went with Young Living. So while we don't want to buy essential oils at the grocery store, there are a lot of reputable companies and you have some pretty good choices of where you could find quality essential oils. But there are quite a few reasons why we went with Young Living. So I didn't start sharing about essential oils for the money. It was never about money for me. I got into the business for sharing oils because they've changed our lives. They've changed my life, they've changed our family's life, and getting paid is just a perk. And so the ability to bless other families with the freedom that we've found with these tools and products has been amazing. So I could have gone with any other company, but there are some specifics as to why I went with Young Living. Most recently, Young Living has donated directly into Salt Lake to first responders and medical care professionals, making sure that they've got hand sanitizers during this recent pandemic that we're facing. So the promise that you get from Young Living is called seed to seal. And what that means is that from the seed going into the ground all the way to the time the packaging gets to you, Young Living does not outsource that information and that process at all. So we know where the farms are, what they're being treated with, how it's being processed, how the distillery is done, and anything that doesn't meet Young Living standards doesn't get to your door. There's also a farm, the Kona Sandalwood Reforestation Project, and that's in the Big Island of Hawaii. Emmett and I got to visit this farm last January, and I can tell you from the workers that are there and the family that runs it, the pride that these folks take in the work that's being done is just palatable. I mean, you cannot imagine what that coordination has done. It's provided jobs and it's provided a means of income for a family to complete this reforestation project and build that area back up to what it once was. And then there's products for the whole family. It's not just oils and it's not just for moms. So for our guys, we have the Shutran products. It gives men everything that they need to care for their skin using natural ingredients and essential oils. This is actually the only cologne that Emmett now uses. It's toxin-free and designed specifically for my pheromones. For the ladies, we have the Savvy Minerals line. We've just released a liquid foundation, which is what I'm wearing now, and is amazingly forgiving in terms of blending. The coverage is great, and I love having a liquid foundation. The Savvy Minerals line also has a powder foundation, but it's all talc-free, paraben-free. It doesn't contain any gluten products, and it's, safe for my 3-year-old to use. And believe me, she gets into mom's makeup. For babies, we have all things babies. We have a Seedlings line, and it's never too early to think about the health of your children. Studies have found that some babies have evidence of nearly 300 chemicals already in their bloodstream at birth. Young Living created the Seedlings line to make it easy and safe and gentle, and make gentle products for your baby that are free from harmful chemicals. The Sens line is a pre-diluted line of oils, and these are what we use daily for our little ones. We've got an Owie blend, a Tummy Jies, a Sleepy Eyes. Genius is one that's great for focus, and the best thing is that they're pre-diluted, ready to go, and diluted for kids on their own. We have products for animals. We know you love your fur babies. We know that those are just like your children. And so we have a whole line dedicated to animal products as well that are, again, formulated just for those furry friends and diluted accordingly for their use and size. We have personal care products. There are, let me see, I'm going to tell you in just a second. 84,000 chemicals are legal for commerce in the United States, and all of them are essentially unregulated. 84,000 chemicals. I can't imagine that 84,000 chemicals are safe for our bodies. So Young Living carries a full line of targeted chemicals, or they don't have chemicals, guys. That is the wrong word. They have targeted personal care products that can help cleanse your skin, support healthy teeth and gums, leave your hair shiny and clean, all infused with powerful essential oils and no harsh chemicals. Shampoos, conditioners, shower gels, bar soaps, toothpaste, mouthwash, facial cleansers, moisturizers, wrinkle creams, lotion, and body butter. Anything you need, Young Living has it. And then for your home, we've got the Thieves product. You have the power to choose what you allow in. Americans can spend as much as 90% of their time indoors, so the fewer chemicals we have in our home, the better. You can replace all of your cleaning products with something from the Thieves line, including cleaners, hand soaps, dishwasher detergents, laundry detergents, air fresheners, fruit and veggie wash, and hand purifiers. We have them all, and they're so easy to use. And the bonus is the scent is wonderful and doesn't make you want to leave and scream that your eyes are burning once you've finished cleaning. Then there's products for nutrition and wellness with over 220 essential oils, Ningxia Red, which is an antioxidant bonus, the Sleek Weight Management line. I guarantee if I do a poll right now among a lot of my friends what their number one health goal is, a majority would say lose weight. Am I right? Maintaining a healthy weight isn't just about a number on a scale. It has much more to do with how you feel. And so the Sleek products, sleek, not sleep. You want to be sleek, not sleepy. They help you support healthy weight management, keep you feeling fuller longer, and give your body the nutritional support it needs. And with supplements, in a perfect world, we would be eating all of the right foods and all of the right fruits and vegetables and getting all of the daily recommended doses of all the vitamins and minerals. But sometimes we don't. So for supplements, we have an amazing brand and line of vitamins, including A, C, D, calcium, magnesium, multigreens, and we have ones for the kids too. So we've got you covered all on all bases. And then when you join Young Living, you become part of the community and part of the family. And like I said, this is not a fad for me. This is not a temporary thing. This is our lifestyle. This is how we've changed. This is how we've incorporated these changes, because I tell my husband all the time, we have 4 kids and we have to be around a long time to take care of them, because I don't know of anyone that is going to willingly take over my 4 children. Young Living is 100% transparent. Give them a call, ask to see the farm, they'll take you. They go above and beyond what other companies do by setting high standards and distilling on-site all over the world, testing over and over again, and it makes the product better and more effective. They're giving back to their communities through the foundation and never take a penny for themselves. They offer an optional business opportunity that anyone can choose to take advantage of with a generous compensation plan. I said yes to Young Living because of these reasons and the products that have helped me and my family. It's also why I continue to say yes and share with you. I hope that you can understand the passion that I have for the products and for Young Living in general. And one aspect that I really can't convey through video is the aspect of community. Especially when you join a team, you get not only the resources that Young Living provides, but you get me, or you get whoever it is that you enroll with, and you get all of the knowledge that they have. My clients and members text, email, call, DM, all times of the day, all times of night. We're constantly out producing product and information and sending out updates and ways to use oils and new products as they're released. And so if you're not already part of this amazing family, I would love to help you get started. Look at the information below. You know how to contact me, and I hope to hear from you soon.